people have gathered here to give their last respect to the deceased who died during the explosion which happened around here in Muradi. So this is the deceased person. This is the deceased person who is being transported home by this. So now people are leaving. People are leaving and they are traveling, taking the deceased body home. This is the aftermath. 2 weeks, it's exactly 2 weeks today since the incident happened here. You can see the deceased used to live at this building. He unfortunately died. Several people died from this building. And the deceased is said to have returned back to correct his phone before the big explosion happened, and that's how we lost him. These are relatives and friends. Escorting the deceased back home. So this is the scene where the explosion happened 2 weeks ago. So many people, around 11 people lost their lives and scores were injured. And today, those who died, especially like this one, is being taken home. His body is being taken home, and these are the relatives who have gathered here. Relatives have gathered here to transport his remains back at home, the western part of Kenya. And also houses which were destroyed, you can see like fundis are trying to rebuild them afresh, and people are trying to start afresh their business which were torched down, and you can see even this building is being renovated after the engine of the vehicle landed up there. So that's the situation 3 weeks after the explosion happened from this yard inside here. This is the yard where the explosion happened. And so many people, if you walk around here, you are most likely to see people with plasters, and people are pinpoint different parts of their body parts. Like especially those who are running away, they have pants at the back of their heads and at the back of their legs. That's what you are most likely to encounter once you come to this area. So these are people who have gathered here to travel and escort their loved one back home after he lost his life over the explosion which occurred here 2 weeks ago. Let's go close and see. So they are calling names of those people who are supposed to travel.
Sonko. Nani? Huyu. Ewa unomanya Oremba. Unomanya wakati unakuwa kwa nyumba. Wewe ujue anakufuata.
This is the aftermath after explosion. Businesses were destroyed. What is remaining are just shells of shops with nothing. This place used to be busy, but you can see all businesses are closed and nothing is going on. People still are recuperating, like this one. Everything inside was burnt. Also this one selling electronics, and this salon, everything was destroyed. Nothing is remaining. They're just shells of shops. So this is aftermath. 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks, because it happened on 1st of February and today is 15th. So it's exactly 2 weeks since this incident happened. And people are coming to terms and they are transporting the deceased back home, and the injured are still recuperating at various hospitals here in Nairobi. People are talking in groups and they are trying to narrate to themselves the ordeal of what happened. So this is the deceased person. So that's what happened. And now the deceased are saying goodbye, and they are bidding goodbye to the city of Nairobi as they go home to rest in peace. So this is the place where this incident happened. You can still see the damage which was caused inside here, and the deceased was just living very close to the explosion site. So he used to stay at this building, and it's said like when people are running for safety, he was asleep, and that's how the incident happened. So today he is just saying goodbye to the city. From us we say RIP. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss stories from this YouTube channel. Thank you, and let's meet on our next video. From me, I say RIP to the deceased.